If you accidentally made your project too long, don't worry, let me show you a super easy way that you can fix it. So I've already taken the lobster clasp off of my keychain. If you saw my previous video, I showed you how to make this keychain. It was a little too long for my liking, the beads were spaced out, and I didn't want them to be spaced out. So I'm showing you here the different items that you can use for a guide wire. I have a paper clip out, and then I also grabbed some tiger tail wire. The paper clip was too thick, it was too hard to use, so I opted to use that tiger tail wire, which is a little thinner, and it moves around just a little easier. So what I'm trying to do is make a knot at the end. It's a really short rope there, so it's a little frustrating trying to get it through. That's why we need that guide wire. I'm trying a couple of different methods here. Essentially what you have to do is kind of like a bunny ear. You have to loop that around, and then you need to pull that guide wire through so that you can get a knot added in. So as you can see, I got that knot in using my clip. Now that the knot is there, we have to find a way to get the lobster clasp back onto the cord. It's too tight to go through, so I'm actually cutting it apart. I'm putting that lobster clasp on there, and I'm gonna sear those edges again. Remember, this 2mm nylon cord is so thick that when you sear and melt those edges together, it is incredibly strong. You can pull with all of your might and it is going to stay put. This is pretty specific to the 2mm and above. If you go below, it just doesn't seem to be quite as strong. So keep that in mind when you're buying a cord. So I've seared those edges together, which now completes my keychain. Now my beads are super close and tight together. I really love this look. You can find everything that you need on my prettyposhprincess.com. Here you can see before on the left, they're a little too spaced out, and on the right, it's absolutely perfect. Thank you for watching, and visit my prettyposhprincess.com to find everything that you need to start crafting today.